Hey, this is Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and I'm going to share my true AI review. This is Justin Opay's white label AI app business system. The way I usually go about these reviews is that I give you all the details, especially that the app promises, and then I provide my insights, my viewpoints along the way. So what is it? It's a platform created by Justin Opay that has over 25 advanced AI apps in one dashboard. These apps cover tasks like content creation, graphic design, voiceovers, image generation, and it also has this white label system. So what's cool about this is that you could rebrand the apps, sell them as your own for 100% profit. And it's designed for beginners in mind, provides easy customization, done for you sales pages, and seamless payment integration. So if you are used to AI, you might have heard of ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, and many others. So what this does, it brings it all like these types of features into this white label system, and then it does it all with just one single price, and it gives you this commercial license, so you can create and sell unlimited AI generated assets. It sounds too good to be true, especially at a cheap price, and I'll go into that soon. So how does it work? You log in, you get access to all these apps. You could customize, rebrand them. You have this white label license and DFY sales pages, and then you connect it to PayPal or Stripe to accept payments. So here are the pros. So up to 25 apps. It says plus, and they all have these various features. You have white label. You don't have a need for technical skills. So you could pretty much start up your business right away as long as you have these other extra accounts, especially like Stripe or PayPal, and then you could start accepting payments. So what are the disadvantages here? So it's offered for a limited time. And that's a typical thing. If you've seen products from whether it's Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, you'll see this. And it seems like, I don't know, some people might think it's like high pressure, but it's there on all these sales pages, and a lot of them anyways. And beginners might feel like they have to go for it quickly because there's that fear of missing out. I get it. It's just all over the place. And once you buy it, you'll have this slight learning curve. You got to explore the platform. And there is no trial. So you pretty much have to fully commit to that one-time payment option. And keep in mind that typically software that is cheap one time, you can't expect it to compare to software solutions that have been well funded, where there's been millions of dollars poured into them. And so you have to keep this in mind, because you're not going to compare it to like ChatGPT or other platforms like that. So who is this truly for? People that are freelancers, entrepreneurs, marketers looking to expand their business. And if you want to rebrand, sell items with a very affordable system, this can be for you. And it's for beginners. And I've seen a lot of these systems that say unlimited. It's kind of like a sales pitch. And one of the things that I faced over the years, especially with these one-time, lifetime deals, is that you don't know how long it's going to be around, especially once they collect all their money, and then, like, let's say the cost to run the servers, the business exceed what they've actually generated in income. It's hard to tell. Any business that's in SaaS, providing a service, it's going to be able to run for a certain amount of time, but how long can it survive? So that's one thing that you need to be aware of. So what makes this unique compared to many of these other app businesses is that it's white label. They don't put their branding on it. You could call it your own and sell it. And early adopters of this system, you get exclusive bonuses, including VIP support, advanced user management tools, help users start up faster, as maximize your profits. The bonuses are only available for a limited time. And so, of course, there's going to be some FOMO related to that. How much does it cost? $14.95. Think about that. Significantly lower than a lot of systems that have a monthly cost of like $99. But even though it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, you got to be aware of these systems, because $14.95 for something that's going to be making you, like, let's say 5 figures, 6 figures, 7 figures plus, it might be some good training wheels, but typically I don't consider these types of apps something that I would use for decades to come. Final thoughts. True AI offers a powerful suite of tools for anyone looking to create and sell AI-powered products. Has white label, sales pages, one-time payment structure. Again, it's dirt cheap, relatively cheap, just depends where you live in the world. While it has slight learning curve, the included training and bonuses help users succeed. True AI is worth considering for those ready to start up a business. So with all that, if you just wanted to pay like roughly 15 bucks to jump in and start using some type of AI tool to start making money, there's nothing wrong with that. Some people will look at this and say, okay, I could either promote the apps in it, I could promote this True AI affiliate program, whatever way you want to make money from it. What I'm saying here is that it can make money. It's just that whole idea of running a solid business for years to come. It's hard to tell, especially with these dirt cheap apps, and it's hard to tell if it's going to be a well-performing product over the years. So, of course, you don't know until you jump in, and it does have a money back guarantee. So some people come to me because they want to look for a simpler way to make money, especially when you could jump into something long term and you get all the training tools and resources to succeed. And so what I want to do here is provide you with a free PDF that I put together. So if you want to learn all about these strategies that I utilize, make sure that you check out my InfoSpike link. All you have to do is, if you are on my YouTube video, check out the description. There's going to be a link there. Or if you're on my blog, there's going to be a link next to this video. So that's all for today. This is Charles from InfoSpike. Thank you for watching.